So today we will continue with higher problems on 6th standard formula. So look at the question here. It is like this. So suppose you get a question 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2 under square root dx. So far we learned the formula of this type. 1 by x square plus a square under square root. Means the numerator is 1, denominator contains only x square and a square, no x. There is x here. So what we will do is we will make a complete square method. We try to simplify. So completing square method means, I think you have studied completing the square in class 10. That is x square. You write as 2ab. 2 into 1 into x. 2 into 1 into x. So b is what? 1. Make it plus 1 square minus 1 square. Because you would make plus b square minus b square. After that, these two you have to write here. dx. So it became a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is x plus 1 whole square. This is a plus b whole square. Now simplify here. Minus 1 square plus 2 is 1. That means 1 square. It is plus 1. So plus 1 square. So now it is x square plus a square form. So you write x square plus a square under square root. This formula I have given you. How much is that? Log x plus root over of x square plus a square modulus. So in place of x, you have got x plus 1. So that will be, so 1 by, so answer is log x. X means x plus 1 plus root over of x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Okay, but don't forget to find the derivative of this part and divide. Here the derivative is 1, so we are not dividing. But if you find any other number, then you take the derivative, then you have to divide. Okay, this is what? This is the beginning of the question. That means it is log x plus 1 x square plus 2x plus 2. Because you started from here, you got this one. So this same as this. Okay. Now say another one. Suppose you get a question. So 9x square plus 6x plus 5. Question is 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5 under square root. Same thing, because you got a x here, you write a completing the square method. It is 3x whole square 2ab. 2 into 3x. 2a, so it becomes 6 now. That means your b will be 1. So that it is 6x. Because this also should be equal to this. So 2a, b is 1. So make it plus 1 square minus, sorry, there is no square root. No square root question I have taken here. Plus 1 square minus 1 square, then plus 5 dx. Okay, then what did you get? It is a plus b whole square. 3x plus 1 whole square. Okay, let's see what is this. Minus 1 square plus 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 means 2 square. So this is plus 2 square. Because this is plus 4, so plus 2 square. Okay. Then this is related to which formula now? The formula here will be 1 by x square plus a square dx 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, this formula 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a means 2. So 1 by 2 tan inverse x by a. In place of x we have got 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1 divided by a. Here is a by 2. What? Derivative of 3x plus 1 you have to divide. So don't forget this part. So it became 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. Now similarly you see another question. Okay, interesting question here. One by square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. 7 minus 6x minus x square dx. Remember your formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. This should be positive, but here it is negative. So you have to simplify it. Look at how are you simplifying. First you take out this part here. 7 minus 6x minus x square. You have to simplify how? Now you are taking minus common. This is x square plus 6x minus 7. Okay. Then minus x square 2ab. 2 into x into 3. 2ab. So b is 3. So plus 3 square minus 3 square minus 7. So that will be x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 7 minus 16. That is minus x plus 3 whole square minus 4 square. Okay, look at here. Now you multiply this minus sign. This will be minus, this will be plus. So that will be, this will be minus, this will be plus 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. Then it was under square root. This part I put here under square root. Now compare with formula. So that is 1 by a square minus x square under square root. What is the formula? Tan inverse x by a. Sorry, sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Then sin inverse x means x plus 3. A means 2. Plus constant. So now the question is, this is one pattern. Second pattern is, suppose I get a question. So other questions you will try to solve. Suppose I get a question, x plus 2 by x square minus 1 dx. Is it so? Under square root. Okay. So this is different. This is different means first numerator was constant 1. Now your numerator is containing x. So what you do is you try to create its derivative. this derivative you try to create here. Like x square derivative is how much? 2x. This is 0. That means it should be 2x here. So how to get 2x? Now I have to make it half 2 into x plus 2 x square minus 1 root over of under square root then dx. So now when you multiply 2, this become 2x, means its derivative will be this one, then 4 will be separated. So you can write 1 by 4 2x by x square minus 1 under square root, then plus 4 by x square minus 1 under square root. I have done a separation. First I will create derivative, the remaining I will separate. So which formula now? Can you tell? X square, this is f dash x by fx power n. This formula I have given you. I told you last time we will be using this formula very frequently. So try to remember. What was this formula? Fx to the power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1. This is for this one. This is for this one. What about this? This is x square minus a square formula. 6th standard formula, because numerator is constant. And the formula you have to use x square minus a square. Remember, when you use this formula, your numerator should be constant. Just 4 can be taken out, it will be 1 by. So what is the formula here? 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. See, this formula, for this is the formula, and for this is the formula. So what is our conclusion now? 1 by 2. So x square minus 1 minus n plus 1 minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1 plus 1 by 2a. A is 1 log x minus 1 by x plus 1. So if you simplify, 1 by 2, this is how much? Half means root over of x square minus 1. This is how much? 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will be 2 plus 1 by 2 log x minus 1 by x plus 1. Then 1 by 2 when you multiply, you get your answer. That is up to you. You can do it. Okay. Similarly, I am taking one more question. That is, so square root of 1 by 5x minus 2. This is 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Okay. So what you can do is, simple thing I will tell you. You make x square free of its coefficient. That will be easy for you. If I take 3 common, this is 5x minus 2 dx. If I take 3 common, it is x square plus 2 by 3x not now. We will do the next step. Look. We start in the same way. Check the derivative. What is the derivative? 6x plus 2. So we need here 6x plus 2. But here it is 5x. What to do? So first you take 5 common. If I take 5 common, it is x minus 2 by 5. Rearrange it, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. But it's still not over. Why? Now you need 6x. So how to get 6x? Now then I should multiply 6 here. So can I write 5 by 6? 6 into x minus 2 by 5 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. So now when you multiply 6, it will be 6x. Then 12 by 5. So 6x you got. Now what you need? This derivative is 2. This 2 is required. So can I write 5 by 6? This is 6x. Okay. Then plus 2 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2. Then this is also there. These 2. 12 by 5. Check it again. When I multiplied 6, this will be 6x. This will be 12 by 5. But you need 6x plus 2. So I am adding plus 2 minus 2. Okay. Divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. So what you do is these two separated, these two separated. So why these two are separated here? Because its derivative is this one. So 5 by 6 will remain outside. It is 6x plus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, simplify this. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 12 is minus 22 by 5 by 1 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, let's go part wise. This is which formula? No power means f dash x by fx log fx. Because there is no power here, so this is log. So now what you have to check here is it is 5 by 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 22 by 5. Look at here. You write completing the square. This is root 3x whole square. Root 3x whole square. 2x you are writing 2 into x into 1 by root 3. Because into 1 by root 3x. Check it. A square, it is 2x now. 2a. A means how much? Root 3x. So b should be what? Now root 3 cancelled. Then it will be 2x or not. So this is your b for it. This is b now. 2ab. Then you have to make it. So it is space problem here. So plus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Then the last term is plus 1. This together, right? Okay. That is 5 by 6 log 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 22 by 5 integration of 1 by a plus b whole square root 3x plus 1 by root 3 whole square. How to solve this? Look at here. Minus 1 by root 3 whole square plus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 plus 3 by 3 This is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 we write in square form. This is root over of 2 by 3 whole square. Root over of 2 by 3 whole square. 2 by 3 is root over of 2 by 3 whole square. So now this is which formula? Check. Which is 5 by 6 log 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus, since you can write integration of x square plus a square 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is the formula. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this will be just write this one here. 5 by 6 log 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 22 by 5 1 by 8. 1 by 8. A means what? Root 2 by root 3. Root 2 by root 3 tan inverse x by a. X by a. What is x for us? This is x. So let me write it very clearly. This is getting congested. Minus 22 by 5 1 by root 3 tan inverse root 3x plus 1 by root 3 divided by root 2 by root 3, but whole divided by root 3x plus 1 by root 3 का derivative. Chain rule I told you. Chain rule will be root 3. Okay, you have to simplify it. How? Now this will go to numerator. So 5 by 6 log 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 22 by 5. This is root 3 by 1 tan inverse root 3 is 3x plus 1 by root 3 divided by root 2 by root 3. Whole divided by, this is whole divided by root 3. Okay, this is cancelled, this is also cancelled. So conclusion, 5 by 6 log 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 22 by 5 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by plus c. So it was a bit complicated. Let me take one more question on this. Suppose I take a question 5x plus 3 5x plus 3 by, I am getting a question here, x square plus 4x plus 10 under square root. Same thing. Okay, those are bit complicated, not able to understand the first one. I am repeating it again, try to see. इसका derivative solves here. What is the derivative? 2x plus 4. That means you need to find 2x here plus 4. So to get 2x, first you have to remove this 5. So take out 5. Then what you will get? X plus 3 by 5. Root over of x square plus 4x plus 10. Now you need 2x. 2 is not here. So you have to multiply 2, you have to divide 2, x square plus 4x plus 10. Okay. Now look, you got 2x. You multiply, this will be 2x, then this is 6 by 5. 2x plus 4, that means you have to make it plus 4 and minus 4. So if you check the derivative, you can create here. So 5 by 2, okay, first you multiply 2, you are getting 2x, here is 3 by 5, 6 by 5. What? Now 2x and 2 3 are 6 by 5. Now you need 2x plus 4. So make it plus 4 minus 4. This is one row, this is second. Divided by x square plus 4x plus 10 under square root. So if you do a separation, it will be 5 by 2. 2x plus 4 by x square plus 4x plus 10 power is half, I can write, or you write root over, doesn't matter. This is simplified, minus 20 plus 6 minus 14 by 5 divided by root over of x square plus 4x plus 10. This. What is this? This is f dash x by, because its derivative is f dash x by fx to the power n. How much? fx to the power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1. So n means what? Minus half here. So I will get 5 by 2. This is x square plus 4x plus 10. Because its exact derivative you have created here. So f dash x by fx to the power n. Minus half plus 1. Minus half plus 1. Okay. Minus 15 by 5. Complete the square. How to complete the square? X square 4x. 2 into x. 4x is 2ab. B is what now? This is your b. So plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 10 dx. This is under square root. Okay. So this became how much? 5 by 2. This is x square plus 4x plus 10. Power is half. This is 2. Half means here it will be 2 here. Minus 14 by 5. This is x plus 2 whole square. This is how much? 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. You write plus root over of 6 whole square. Because 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 means square form, root 6 whole square. Which formula here? 1 by x square plus a square root over log x plus root over of x square plus a square. Okay. So what is x? X plus 2. So the final answer is 5 by 2 outside 2 root over of x square plus 4x plus 10. Then 14 by 5 log x. X means x plus 2 plus root over of x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 square. Derivative of x plus 2 is 1, so no need to divide. So final answer is 5 by 2 into 2 root of x square plus 4x plus 10, 2 is cancelled, minus 5 by 2 into 14 by 5, 7, log x plus 2, this is what? इसका previous line, if you go to the previous one, is the same thing, that is x square plus 4x plus 10 का root of plus. So like this, there are so many questions you try to complete. That is your exercise 7.4. So similar questions I have left, few questions for you to try to solve. So 7.5 will start tomorrow, partial fraction.